Hello everyone, hope you're having a great day. Today, we're recording a new tutorial. On the Animations page, there's a feature called New Motion that lets you turn an uploaded image into a motion video. This feature allows you to upload both the starting and ending frame images for the motion video. For example, I'll upload a portrait of Monica from my local files. Then, we'll click Add Motion. Alright, let's wait for a moment. Now we've got a motion video generated from Monica's portrait. If you'd like to add a description or prompts about Monica's movements, you can do that in the Motion Description section. In addition to uploading a starting image, this feature also supports uploading an ending frame image. Let me show you how that works in just a bit. Okay, now we see the first video. Let's take a look at Monica's motion video. Perfect. You can download this video directly to your device. Let's start again with Monica's portrait as the starting image. Then we'll select an ending image to complete the video. For example, I'll choose two images and combine them into a single motion video to see the result. Here, I've picked an anime-style image as the ending frame. After clicking Add Motion, we'll patiently wait for it to generate. Once the motion animation is completed, you can view it in the History section. Alright, let's give it a second. The generation speed is pretty